Hello, I am Halaluddin, teacher of LPS School, Campus 4. How are you, students? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Our class has been suspended for a long time due to coronavirus. So today I will take a class of English second paper, Brighter Grammar of class 2 for second term syllabus 2020. Students, all of you open your books at page 16, exercise B. Topic is changing the plural form of the nouns into singular nouns. First of all, I will discuss some rules of changing number. Rule 1. Nouns that end in a hissing sound, that means last letter SH, CH, X and Z, make their plural by adding es. Rule 2. Some nouns that end in o form their plurals by adding es. These rules are applicable for changing singular nouns into plural nouns. But we have to change plural nouns into singular nouns. So we can say in this way, by dropping the s or es from the plural nouns to make singular noun, such as brushes, brush, boxes, box, charges, charge, foxes, fox, inches, inch, heroes, hero, potatoes, potato. Again, everybody say with me, brushes, brush, boxes, box, charges, charge, foxes, fox, inches, inch, heroes, hero, potatoes, potato. Then another rule, nouns that end in f or fe generally change the f or fe into bes for plural. It is applicable for singular noun into plural nouns, but we have to change plural nouns into singular nouns. So we can say in this way, in state of bes, we use f or fe to make singular. Again, I will say, in state of bes, we use f or fe to make singular. For example, halves, half, wolves, wolf, leaves, leaf, loaves, loaf, wives, wife, thieves, thief, knives, knife. Here, in state of BES, we will write here F. Similarly, all, wolves, wolf, leaves, leaf, loaves, loaf, wives, wife, thieves, 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 thief, knives, knife. In Y, having a consonant before it, from their plural by changing y into I and adding es. And another rule, nouns ending in y having a vowel before it from their plurals by adding s. But it is for singular into plural. But plural into singular by dropping ies from the plural nouns and adding y to make singular. By dropping the ies from the plural nouns and adding y to make singular noun. Such as armies, army, babies, baby, flies, fly, ladies, lady, days, day. Here, armies, last three letters IES, dropping the IES, we will add Y to make singular noun. So similarly, babies, baby, instead of ies, in singular form y. Flies, fly. Ladies, lady. Days, day. Some nouns from their plural. Another rules, some nouns from their singular by changing insert vowel of the plural, such as man, man, women, woman, geese, goose. Again, feet, foot, man, man, women, woman, geese, goose. Here insert vowel ee change into oo. Similarly, man, e change into a. Women, men, men, here e change into a. Geese, ee change into oo. That means changing insert vowel. And another rule, a few nouns do not follow any of these rules, such as sheep, sheep, deer, deer, mice, mouse, children, child. Here, sheep and deer are the same form, singular and plural are the same form. Okay. Today I will give HW page homework. Your homework is page number 16, exercise B, learn plus write. No more today. See you again in the next class. All of you will stay at home and follow the hygienic to keep safe from coronavirus.